about me. At age 12, I started to box, and that's me at age 12. I won the gold medal in this picture, and that was in 1950, and that was my speech in the Vietnam War. Thank you. Any questions? Caleb.
When did you earn the gold medal?
1960. Lauren.
Do you know what the disease is called that he has?
No.
Parkinson.
Parkinson?
Parkinson disease.
Yeah, Parkinson disease. It's where your body, you can't see that well, and you're like blind, and you shake your body almost every second. Alyssa.
How old were you when you died?
I'm not dead yet. I'm 67 years old. Brianna.
Do you have a wife or children?
I think I had two wives and and 7 children.
Alex, he has a daughter,
Yeah.
but she was a champion in boxing also.
It said in the thing that it's
He has a
7
few
children.
kids.
Yes. Jackie.
Does he still play boxing?
No, he's pretty old now. Tyler J.
What time did he retire?
1984. Joey.
Does he have a job?
That was his job. Oh, and he was an artist too, a singer. And he has his own record of CDs. Jackie.
When was he born?
1942. January 17th. Chelsea. 67 years old. Hunter. Brandon.
His daughter was a boxer?
Yeah, that's not a problem.